Fundamental of mine planning. Introduction. One refers to a naturally occurring collections of minerals that can be extracted, processed, and sold for profit. Profitable is the key criteria for defining ore, based on revenue exceeding the cost of extraction and processing. Market factors such as supply and demand that influence the material price. So this is the profit formula. Profit equal revenues minus cost. Then revenues equals amount of material sold times price per profit. Then cost equals amount of material sold times cost per profit. Then profit maximization achieved by lowering production costs or raising the selling price of material. Key insight: if production costs are higher than the selling price, the material is no longer considered or as it result is no profit. Role of mining engineers. So first is cost minimization. Implement strategies to reduce costs. Then second is deposit understanding. Acquire in-depth knowledge of the ore body, including its geology, grid distribution, and spatial characters. Last is optimization of extraction techniques. Utilize advanced tools and methods to maximize resource recovery while minimizing environmental and economic impacts. Mine planning phases. Planning phase conduct a thorough evaluation of the mineral deposit's economic viability. Main goal: ensure the project in financially, technically, and environmentally feasible. Then next is implementation phase. Develop mine infrastructure and processing facilities. Involve securing equipment, training the workforce, and establish operational protocols. Then last is production phase. Focus on the extraction, processing, and sale of minerals. Prioritize achieving production targets while maintaining cost efficiency and complying with safety and environmental standards. So this is the initial data collection checklist. Topography, climatic conditions, water, geologic structures, mine water, surface, rock type, location for concentration, tailings fund area, land ownership, power, smelting, roads, government, economic climate, water dump location, accessibility, methods of information. Planning stage, conceptual study. Objective, perform an initial evaluation and develop a high-level investment proposal. Then key activities, compare various mining methods and cost estimation approaches. Utilize historical data to generate rough estimates of capital and operating expenses. Then outcome, assess whether the project merits further exploration and detailed analysis. Planning stage, pre-feasible study. First is objective. Determine if a full feasible study is warranted and identify key areas of the project that require further in-depth analysis. Then case sections. First is technical concept. Preliminary design and operational plan for the project. Then ore tonnage and grade. Estimate the quality of extractable material. Next is production schedule. Timeline for mining and processing operations. Then cost estimates, initial capital and operating cost projections. Next is revenue projections based on anticipated market conditions. Then cash flow analysis, evaluate financial viability and assess associated risks. Then last is outcome, lays the groundwork for a detailed feasible study. Planning stage, feasible study. Objective, provide a thorough and in-depth analysis to support a well-informed final investment decision. Key focus areas, optimization, fine-tune essential project components, production capacity, technology, costs, and revenues to enhance profitability. Then last is clarity. Ensure reports are understandable for both technical and non-technical audience. Essential features of feasibility reports: geology or reserve and mining. Conduct a detailed geological evaluation and classification of reserves. Then metallurgy, assist or processing techniques and recovery efficiency. Then capital and operating costs provide a throughout breakdown of development and operational expenses. So last is simplified flow sheet of mining activities. Data inputs: drill hole data, supply spatial and grid details of the mineral deposit. Then composite assay data, determines ore quality and composition. Then key outputs: mining reserves estimate the quality of economically recoverable material. Then mining schedule outlines the timeline for extraction and processing. Then equipment selection identifies suitable machinery and technology for operations. Then mining report provide detailed documentation of project planning and operations.